Hello, this is Jer's Fashion, and for today's vlog is about unboxing products. So yesterday I received a call in my telephone number that I have a delivery and that I have products. Somebody calling me that there was a delivery of a product. The product is Feel Light. Then I said, I don't have any order, any products. I never been ordered any products, but according to them, I have a delivery of products that feel light coming from China. So this is it. So I do not know what is the actual content of this box that delivered in our school. So let us open this. I am very curious because I did not order any products, but then this arrived in our school. Then I said maybe somebody have given me the token. So let us open this. And this one, the Federal Express Pacific. The receipt, and there is also a gate pass because this is international, so that's why nag-agi pa siya sa Bureau of Customs, and I paid 577 for the Bureau of Customs daw na tax. So this is from the Feel Light for photography. Yung na-receive ko na receipt, yung ginagamit na pangalan ako ay pangalan ko pa sa Facebook account, which is not my actual name. And then here I have received this 500, the sum of 576, but the actual I paid it 577. Then there is a gate pass here for the Department of Finance Bureau of Customs. Since it is international, so this is Feel Light for photography. Then it's FedEx. And this is the receipt. For how many copies is this? Okay, so this is the product. Small rig, big dream. So this one, and so let us open this and unbox these products. Ano kaya ang laman nito? Small rig. Okay. So dalawa. Wala na laman. Okay. This is Vive P96 lead video light, small rig. Okay. Meron siyang manual. This one. And there is yes, this one. Okay. Then we're gonna open the others. Dalawa pala, parang buy one take one. May manual din. But I do not know how to read Chinese language because this product is from China. It was delivered yesterday. Ngayon ko lang na-open. Ngayon ko lang na-open. Today is September 20. So parang buy one take one siya. I do not know how to use this. So feel light photography. So this is awesome, but I need to explore how to use this. Okay. So this is your passion, and thank you so much for those who give this token to me. I paid also for the custom tax is 577, and I received this one. So please notify me if you are my YouTube friends who send me this fill light. This is from Fill Light Photography. So this is useful also in vlogging, but I do not know really how to use this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. So there is I see. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's a fill light photography. This is awesome. Thank you so much for those people and friends who send this to me as a token. Thank you so much. So ito na lang dito ko na lang inilagay na ayan yung fill light. Tapos pwede rin ito i-onaton. Kung i-onaton ko yan. Yan, may ilaw yan lang ga. Oh, grabe. Ang ganda lang ga. Oh. This is it now. Oh, awesome. Kaya pag dito, maliwanag na talagang langga. To my friend Tim Simpson, thank you very much for sending a token. This one, used for photography as a source of light to make the vlog well lighted. Thank you very much for sending this to the Philippines, although you are from New Zealand. And thank you. God bless you. I like it.